Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Larynx, and we are looking at its development. So we are talking about the arches, that is 2, 3, 4 and 6. So the second arch, if you see the derivatives, it includes the upper part of the body of the hyoid. So it is upper part of the body of what? Of the hyoid. The upper part of the body of hyoid. Next, it also includes the lesser cornea. So LC of the lesser cornea of the hyoid. So upper part of the body of hyoid. Second one is the lesser cornea of the hyoid. The third one is going to be the stylohyoid ligament. So second arch, it includes the upper part of the body of hyoid. Next is the lower cornea of the hyoid. Then comes the stylohyoid ligament. Now let's move on to the third. The third arch, it includes the second was the upper part of the body of hyoid. The third will be the lower part of the body of hyoid. So it will include the lower part of the body of the hyoid and also the greater cornea. So the second was the upper part of the hyoid and the lesser cornea of the hyoid. Here it is the lower part of the hyoid and the greater cornea. Next we move on to the fourth arch. So we saw the third arch. Next will be the fourth arch. So the fourth arch derivatives is the upper part of the thyroid cartilage. So it is the upper part of the thyroid cartilage. And then we move on to the sixth one. So the fourth arch is the upper part of the thyroid cartilage. Next, the sixth arch. The sixth arch is going to be the lower part. The lower part of the thyroid cartilage. So lower part of the thyroid cartilage, then the cricoid cartilage, then the corniculate cartilage. Then comes the cuneiform cartilage, as well as the intrinsic muscles of the larynx. So in terms of the sixth arch, there are many. That is the lower part of the cartilage, lower part of the thyroid cartilage. The fourth arch is simple, there is only one. That is the upper part of the thyroid cartilage. This lower part will include the thyroid cartilage in the sixth, and the cricoid cartilage, coronate cartilage, then the cuneiform cartilage, and then the intrinsic muscles of the larynx. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.